went through the tips and tricks on how to apply a full face foam latex prosthetic. Now it's time for the fun part. Let's get into the colors. Mehron Paradise Paint in Coral. Going to apply this with a natural sea sponge. This is going to give it a cool texture. Next layer is Mehron Mango, focusing on the high points. Now for the white. I'm going for a grungy looking clown. That's why I didn't just go straight in with a white. The neat thing about using a sea sponge is they're all unique. I've been using this less textured side, so let's switch it up and get a different effect. For shading, using Skin Illustrator Din, you can continue using the water activated for shading. I tend to bounce around between makeup types, lightly filling in the details and wrinkles, and splotchy texture for those larger areas. Using a large Stellium stipple brush over everything. With the same color, I'm going to move in with a smaller stipple brush. Back to the sea sponge and some white, just to give it more pop. Still want that clown white face, but just with a little more texture. For the high points, switch to a torn makeup sponge. This is going to give you extra coverage with your paint. Shading the eyes some with any eyeshadow of your choice. Painting some wrinkles under the eyes just to bring that prosthetic detail onto the skin. Now the markings, you gotta have a red nose. Used Mehron Beachberry for this. Used Lagoon Blue for the lip. Found a couple photos of clowns with unique lip colors and thought it might be something fun and different to do instead of traditional red mouth. Some black markings similar to more vintage style clowns. Mehron Dark Green for the eye marks. Wanted one more detail. Made a hat with some EVA foam and a Dixie cup and sprayed it gold. Not bad for a quick throw together. And gotta add some yummy mouth effects. If you like the texture that the sea sponge gave to this look and you're wondering how you can incorporate more texture techniques into your looks, check out this next video where I show you 3 different techniques, painting by hand or using an airbrush.